If you run apps or services on Red Hat Enterprise Linux and face tricky issues that are hard to pin down, this is the place for real solutions. I'm Prince. I have spent over 15 years building and managing enterprise infrastructure, container orchestration, security, and automation, mostly on Red Hat Enterprise Technology Stack. Here, I share proven fixes to real problems from actual production environments. No fluff, no theory, just actionable steps that work. The topic for today's video is troubleshooting Linux VM boot failures on ESXi due to GUI and 3D acceleration conflicts. Here are the root causes. One issue may be that there is a graphics limitation. The svga.vgaOnly parameter, when set to true, restricts the VM's graphics capabilities to basic VGA text mode, disabling 3D acceleration and advanced graphical features. There may even be a conflict trigger. If the VM has a GUI installed, for example GNOME, and svga.vgaOnly equals true, the system may fail to boot fully, due to misconfigured graphics resources. Another root cause may be a 3D acceleration mismatch. The mks.enable 3D setting becomes ineffective when svga.vgaOnly is enabled, breaking dependencies for GUI-based environments. Here are steps on how to adjust the VM settings. First, you will want to power off the VM. Second, in VSphereClient, vCenter, navigate to VM options, select Advanced, and then select Edit Configuration. Third, you will need to add or modify the parameter. The final step will be to power on the VM. Here are some commands to fix the issue at hand. Make sure to check the VGA adapter presence. Set CLI default target, no GUI, and verify the current default target. Here is an essential troubleshooting checklist, complete with step-by-step verification. Step 1. Confirm VGA adapter. Use LSPCI or VMware tools to validate the GPU configuration. Step 2. Check the svga.vgaOnly status. Ensure that the setting aligns with the VM's graphical requirements. Step 3. Check the power state. Always power off the VM before editing the advanced settings. Step 4. Perform a logs review by examining var log messages or ESXi host logs var log VMware for boot errors. Step 5. Test GUI boot. If it is resolved, reboot to confirm full GUI functionality. In summary, a Linux VM with GUI installed fails to boot on ESXi when svga.vgaOnly equals true, as it blocks advanced graphics. Resolve this issue by disabling svga.vgaOnly for GUI support, or configure the system to boot into CLI mode. A vital verification is to always validate settings via VMware tools and system logs. Thank you for following along and watching this video. If this video helped you fix the issue, please hit the like button and share this video with your team. If you work with Enterprise Linux, consider subscribing for more real-world solutions.